video. Today we are opening, like we're doing an unboxing, and I know I'm looking kind of rough today, but we're doing a quick unboxing of the HT Auto Heat Press by HTV Ront. We're just gonna get right into it. I'm not gonna do a whole bunch of talking on this video. So the HTV Ront Auto Press or Auto Heat Press machine is actually on sale this week on Amazon. I bought this for $250, and I don't think it's gonna get any lower than this. Now I do know that if you go to HTV Ront's website, you can get it for the regular price is $2.95. You can get it on sale for, I believe it's a $20 off, so it'll be like $2.70-ish. But on Amazon for $2.51 cannot be that price at all. So I'm sorry if it looks like I'm looking, because the way my camera is positioned, and I wish I could actually keep it positioned. Let's see. Okay, that's better. Okay, so, and I'm looking at hotness today, but my camera was upside down, so it was looking like I was looking like sideways or whatever. But I'm gonna go ahead and just get into this. And first thing I noticed that it does come with the manual, and I have a Teflon sheet that it comes with for free. I really needed this size because I do have another size Teflon sheet, but it's like half of this. So it's two of these, but it's like half. So each of them are about this size. So I was gonna order another one of these, but I'm glad that it did come with that. So that's a good thing. It came with the instructions here that I'm about to drop on the floor. But and again, this one actually is the 15 by 15 heat press. This one is in white. I actually wanted it in mint, but they did not have the one that I wanted in mint. So I was like, you know what? It's on sale for $250. I'm gonna go ahead and purchase it. So I went on and got the white, but glad that I did, because I don't think that it's gonna get any lower than this. Now, the only issue I have right now is trying to figure out how I'm gonna get this out this box. Okay. I might have to do some serious legwork here. So, I might have to get a chair to take this out, because this is extremely heavy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this in here, this chair, hopefully it don't break anything. Okay, that's better. And then we're gonna try to lift it out of here, which I don't think it's gonna be that easy to lift. So I'm just trying to think of the best way to do this. This thing is extremely heavy. You know what? I'm gonna come back after this video because this is a lot heavier than I thought, and it's a lot harder than I thought. So I will show you guys once I actually get it out the box. It's probably gonna take me a minute of like screwing around with it, but give me just a moment and I will come back. So I did get it out of the box. I had to get some help with my son, help from my son to get it out. This thing is so heavy, y'all. I did not know it was gonna be this heavy. I mean, I knew it was gonna be heavy, but not this heavy. Anyway, so I did get everything out, and right now I'm just taking the plastic off. Oh my God. That was definitely a workout. I don't know if you guys can see the front of it, but it has the display here. And I'm going to show you more of it once I get it hooked up and everything. So, trying to kind of get it turned around here so you guys can see the front of it. And it does have like the little pull-out part. So I'm going to go ahead and read through the instructions here. Just try to get some more information as to how to set it up and everything. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another tutorial. I'm looking a mess today, but I have some shirts that I have to work on today. And although my other heat press is working, I wanted to I have like a bunch of orders that I have to fill soon. So that other heat press that I have, it's the handheld one that you push down. I need something I could just kind of slap. And as I continue to build my business, of course, I'm going to get more products. So far, I have the hat press machine. I have the hand, I believe it's by Vivor machine, the one that you just press down, hold for 15, and press back up. I have the actual pressure by HV ront. I have that by HTV ront as well. And this one, of course, is my new baby. Hopefully it works like I want it to work. I do have a few shirts I'm gonna do today, and I'll probably post that at the end of this video. But yeah, so far so good. I just want to see how it, how it works and get everything started. So I guess I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Like this video. If you like this video, turn your notification bells on so you are aware when I do post new videos. And I will show you guys how it works out and tell you guys how it works. And I will do a tutorial on how everything went out. One thing I did notice so far is, I don't know if it has to be on once you pull this out. I don't know anything about this machine, but I'm trying to push it back and it's like it doesn't want to go back in. So I'm assuming it has to be on. But anyway, so we'll go ahead and play with it a little bit, and I will be back in the next video to tell you how everything went with the new HTV ront auto press. Talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.